Okay, so what are the H's and T's, and why would we do a video series on all of the H's and T's? Well, the H's and T's, quite simply, are our list of usual suspects.
Round up the usual suspects.
There are known reversible causes for cardiac arrest, and these are the H's and T's. This is a list of causes and conditions as to why our patient is going down the tubes. Now, here's the problem. More often than not, we don't review the H's and T's till the end of the event. Think about it. You're working a full arrest, you're working. Finally, the doctor or somebody says, hey, before I call this, does anybody have any great ideas? We miss anything? And then we start going through our H's and T's and see if we missed anything. This is not how the H's and T's should be used. Think about this. How about sample OPQRST H's and T's. These H's and T's really should be included at minimum during our secondary assessment when we're doing our sample and our OPQRST. Now, what do we cover in our H's and T's video review? First, we're going to look at each H and T individually, and we're going to talk about the pathology. What is it about that particular H or T that's going to kill our patient? Second thing we're going to look at is the treatment. How do we fix each particular H and T? And then third, and I think most importantly, what kind of patient is likely to develop each of those H's and T's? Because there is a pattern to it. It is predictable. And if it's predictable, we can plan for it and anticipate it. And that's why the H's and T's really should be in the beginning of the algorithm and not an afterthought at the end of the arrest. So, enjoy our H's and T's video segment. I'm Mark, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.